Crescent Bend National Park.
National?
Sorry, Nature Park.
Okay.
There's gonna be your rope.
Literally.
Not figuratively. Hi, Dad.
The dirt pile?
Really? Come on, Pete. There's a bear up here. Yeah, stay back.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ooh, that's a big one, Pat. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. I don't think I'd mess with that much.
Any more of this in it? Too bad. Don't. You just want to. Really? Don't hold back and he's allowed to go slow. Look at the caterpillar. Let me see.
Look at the butterfly.
Look. Oh, he's got little biters.
What kind of tree would this be with these berries growing on it?
A tie?
What?
A tie? And why would there be a...
You don't know, do you?
I don't know. Pat, Gary, why would there be a snail?
Because of all of these berries, and it's eating the berries.
What are those?
Tree.
Are those raspberries?
No.
Eat one. Peanut don't eat the... Look.
No,
Boysenberries?
No.
It was alive. Still alive. Peanut don't eat the berries. I don't know what they are. Come on. Look, we've seen a spider, a caterpillar. Isn't that awesome? Look, Pee-Pee.
At the Grand Canyon.
Okay, let's go. May I? No, I got him. I'm not gonna skid her off and hit him in the butt. Don't get mean. I'm not.
You are.
Not anymore now.
He's not mad at you anymore.
This reminds me that something Jeff Dunham did with one of his chihuahuas. Jesus! Where are y'all going, Pops?
100 miles away. Ducks.
This is nature.
Yeah, I don't like nature. I've come to that conclusion.
Maybe we should have brought some insect repellent.
Oh, you guys could. Oh, jeez.
You know what I do with bug bites? I scratch them until the giant scars on my legs.
Peanut, see, this is a crosswalk.
Look at that wild roses.
I see them.
Fire ants. You got fire ants too. Oh, isn't that great?
Dennis, put your finger in.
Hell no.
Fire ant, a spider, caterpillar.
That one.
They bite.
I ain't gonna disturb a fire ant hill.
Check this out.
Put that on the fire ant hill.
No.
Hell no.
I've got underwear on.
There's the same caterpillar. I'm just gonna let it be.
Like the beetle?
Libertarian.
Insect repellent would have definitely been nice.
Oh, stop.
Well, this is good preparation for
It isn't hot.
Butterflies. Aren't most bugs attracted to sweat?
the Peruvian attack butterflies, so you need to be careful. You can sense fear.
Funny.
Just another typical day. And so it continues.
Funding probably fell out. No, it seems more to me like it's something that got completely plowed under. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. No, that's over ant. See the telephone poles, see that?
Yeah. You know, I bet there's like a Facebook page where you can go and put nature and
Well, we'll look it up.
be a fan of nature.
We'll look it up on the interweb and see what this is.
There's a Facebook group for black potatoes that said